swimming pool, 5-star hotel.
Just as all cancers, in which brain movement alters the body's reaction or affects the body's reaction.
I can tell we need to talk about things.
Is to prepare your mind for your coming. And I assure you, when you come to carry out your function here, you will see great mind. You will work with great mind. That era of drug abuse, cultism will be gone as soon as we're done with this lecture. Is an assurance. Thank you once again for coming. Thank you.
Where we've come to talk about more about drug abuse and how the youth can stay away from drugs.
So I'm happy that the whole thing was successful. Ihe la bịa mere Elugwu Akwu today. Ndị ụmụike youth kpatara ndị NDLEA. Ha kụziere ndị be anyị ihe gbasatara drug abuse.
Ebezia doka ndị be anyị ọsọ ndị mkpụrụ mmiri na ndị bụ nza. Mala ebidola oge jọwa ajọfta. By the grace of God, obibia ndị a bịara here. Ma mkpụrụ mmiri ma bụ nza ma otu nzuzo Chineke lenyere anyị aka anyị control.
It's a step to greatness. And with what the local government chairman is doing, bringing up facilitators like the NDLEA, the Poker Cove, and also other well-wishers of the community, I think it's a step in the good direction. And I know with what has gone down today, the youths will not remain the same.
Yes, I'm listening. Oh, I understand that. You need help with what you say? Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy, because the last time that we talked about this, I felt like I was really clear. I gave you everything that you need.
Welcome back to Boss Empire Media. Hit subscribe for more stunning cultural journeys.